Agile is a group of values and principles based on collaboration between self-organizing teams. The Agile Manifesto specifically focuses on the ability to respond to change rapidly as one of the benefits of following the principles. The Sprint Retrospective ceremony is a step in identifying changes in projects. Development team members, the product owner and Scrum Master have an opportunity to review risks, what worked well and where improvements are needed. Any changes should be evaluated for possible inclusion in future sprints. Risks and feature updates will be managed by the product owner. Some changes may require a review by the stakeholders. Changes to the development process, new tools required and staffing updates are the responsibility of the Scrum Master to facilitate. The Sprint Retrospective may also be a time where the product owner can identify that the return on investment for the product has been achieved through earlier releases and decide that additional features can be postponed or eliminated completely. This allows the organisation to adapt to rapid changes in remobilisation of valuable skills and funds.